Hey everybody, this is Mr. Zarnik. Today we're going to start talking about how to make music, and we're going to use something called Protonotation. I have it spelled right here and it's in our Google Classroom. Protonotation is a basic way to write music without using something called standard notation. We're going to get to using standard notation in the next few weeks. Any kind of music that you have, though, always has two things. It has notes, which are symbols for sound, and rests, which are symbols for silence. You might have seen notes that look like these guys up here in other music classes, and we're going to get to those in the next few weeks. But for right now, we're going to work on something even easier that's going to help us make notes, rhythms, rests, and sound a lot more quickly. Let's talk about our notes that we're going to learn today. We have two. Our first note is called ta. I spell my note ta, T-A-H. That's how we say it, and that's how we're going to spell it. If I were to write the note ta, it looks like this. It's just a line. You might know of ta as looking like something different, but in our class it's just going to be a line. In previous lessons we talked about notes being worth beats. A ta is a one-beat note. We're going to talk about that in a minute. Okay, so ta is a one-beat note. Make sure you are keeping track of this. We also have a two-beat note we're going to talk about. It's called tu. I spell my note tu with a tu, not to confuse it with two, two, and two that we already know. Our tu, because it's longer than a ta, is a wide note. It looks like a bowl, and I'm going to draw it like this. Okay? Almost looks like the smile in a smiley face. So remember, a ta is a one-beat note, and a tu is a two-beat note. So those notes are great, but what happens when we want to make those into music? So we have to string some of them together. And I'm going to string 4 tas together right now. Ta, 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 ta. A ta is a one-beat note, so if I were to say those out loud, I'd have to think of a steady tempo. Here's a steady tempo. Each pulse is one beat. So I would say this rhythm just like this. Ta, 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 ta. Why don't you practice doing that with me? Ready, go. That's pretty easy, isn't it? Let's try making it a little longer. I added in more tas there, and if you're not sure, there's 8. I'm going to put this little dividing line here so that we have 4 tas and 4 tas, but we're going to read it the same. Here we go. Ready, go. Ta, 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 ta. Here's a rhythm with a 2 in it. A 2 is a 2-beat long, so ta, ta, 2. It takes 2 beats to say 2. Pat on your shoulder with me. This is our beat. Let's say this together. 1, 2, ready, go. Ta, ta, 2. Good job. One more time. Ready, set, go. Ta, ta, 2. Excellent.